Hello everyone, welcome back to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to handle radio buttons in Selenium. Let's get started. Here we can see two scenarios. One is select any radio button from this your most favorite browser, and the second one is select any radio button and then unselect the radio button. So let's see how we can write the script for this. Now go to your package, right click, select new and then select class. Here give any name for the class. And then select this checkbox and click finish. Now we need to open the browser. WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. Then open the web page driver.getOff. So copy this URL and paste here. And import the Firefox driver. Now we can see how to click this radio button. So I am going to select this Chrome radio button. So for that we need to right click from this radio button and go to inspect and identify the locator. So here we have class and also we have ID. So first let's try with the ID. Copy this ID and write web element favorite browser equal to driver dot find element by ID, and then since we are going to click on that radio button, we need to write favorite browser dot click off. Now just run this script and check. So we are getting some error. So means that ID locator is not working. So we can try with the XPath. XPath is nothing but XML path language which is used to navigate through HTML or XML documents and locate the elements within them. XPath is commonly used to identify and interact with elements on a web page. So let's see how we can copy the XPath. Go to the same radio button, right click and select inspect and mouse over and see in which part the button is highlighted. So select this part, right click and go to copy and select copy XPath. Now go to your script and instead of ID we need to select by.xpath and then here paste the value which we copied now. So this is our XPath for that radio button, and we need to change the double quotes inside this XPath to single quotes. So we can see a detailed video about XPath later. Now rest all is same. So now just run the script and check the output. Right click, run as Java application. Yeah, now we can see the Chrome button is selected. If you want, we can try with one more button. We can select one more button. Now we can select Firefox. So right click Firefox, go to inspect. So when you mouse over this section, that button is highlighted. So we need to copy the XPath from here. Right click, copy and copy XPath. Now write the script as web element Firefox browser equal to driver dot find element by dot xpath. Here paste the xpath value and remove double quotes to single quotes. And then Firefox browser dot click off. Now first it will click the Chrome browser button and then it will click the Firefox radio button. So the script ran very fast. So let's add a delay and check the output one more time. To add a delay, use thread.sleep off. We can add 5 seconds. Here it is showing one error. Click this button and add throw declaration. Now run the script again. So after 5 seconds, the Firefox button will be clicked. Yes. Now we can write the script for the next one. So we can select this Bengaluru radio button and then again click on that and it will unselect. Select and unselect. So let's see how we can write the script for this. Now select this radio button, right click and go to inspect and do the same as before what we did for the browser click. Mouse over and find the correct element, right click, copy and copy XPath. Now go to your script, write web element, select button equal to driver dot find element by dot XPath. Inside double quotes, copy the XPath value and change this double quotes to single quotes. And now select button dot click off. Now run the script. There is some error. Okay, now run the script. Yeah, this Bengaluru city is selected. Now we need to unselect this city. That is, if you click first time, it will select, and if you click again, it will unselect. So the script is simple. So we can give the meaningful name select city. So first the button is selected. So if you click again, it will unselect. So use the same variable and again click one more time. So here also add a delay, otherwise it will run very fast. So now I am running the script. Now first the Chrome button is selected, then after 5 seconds Firefox will be selected. Now Bengaluru is selected. After 5 seconds it will unselect. Now hope you understand this. So if you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.